This is the mechanical room where I work, and so this job has plenty of opportunity for use of the 360 camera. We got to get some more light in here. This is awful. Parking lot lights. That's not it. Okay. So that's not going to help, I don't think. Sorry, I'm trying to find breakers where the lights may be out. See, I don't think they're going to be here. None of these look tripped. None of these look tripped. But yeah, so anyhow, doing a job like this gives a lot of good opportunity for filming, as long as not in public. So in situations like this, where I've had to go look for tripped breakers, it's perfect. Or if I'm working on something that's not directly outside or inside someone's home, or where someone's staying to rent, then it's also perfect for that. And what's awesome about a 360-degree camera, you see everything. So no having to guess, oh man, do I have the camera angle right? Well, it doesn't really matter. Just kind of set it down somewhere and go for it. So I'm gonna head across to the other side of the building, and we're going to pick up over there. So stay tuned. Alright, so now we're back on the other side, looking for potentially tripped breakers. And honestly, so far I'm still not seeing anything tripped or anything that looks tripped. They all look to be on. See? Those are good. Those are good. You can see it's set to photo cell. So, I don't know. I really don't. This is a mystery. Now, all I know is I could try putting it in an override and see if all the lights come on, but I don't know. That's East Walkway lights. Okay, so I need to go back to that other room and just see. So, again, we're going to go back to the other side and see what's going on. Alright, so back to the main room. Parking lot lights. We're going to go to override. Big contactor. All right, and I will return shortly. I'm going to go out and check and see, are the parking lot lights on and are the spiral lights on, and I will return very shortly. So all right, so what I found out, okay, so just to kind of give you some visualization on how the building I work at is set up. It's a 5-story building, 6 if you count the roof access level with the tennis courts. But so my building is shaped like a V, and so you've got the open end of the V facing south, the bottom end of the V facing north, and then you've got an east end and a west end. So this room here is on the west end of the building, and the parking lot lights and the parking spiral lights are on this side. On the east side, the parking lot lights are on, but the spiral lights are not. So yeah, it's a little weird. Okay, so the override is definitely working, but we definitely have some sort of issue, and I don't know where these lights get their power, aside from this contactor. This contactor is what controls all of the lights for the parking area. So east. Ah. Okay. So 20 and 22 are okay. East. Okay. All right, so I flipped the breakers off and back on for the east spiral, and I'm gonna hit the contactor again, and now we should have power. So once again, I will be right back, and I'm going to see what's going on again. So stay tuned. All right, so unfortunately those lights are still off. So obviously whatever is wrong is not something that I'm able to deal with. So whatever it is that's happening, an electrician's gonna have to come and take a look, because flipping the breakers did nothing. So it's entirely possible that maybe the breakers are bad, but the likely scenario is that whatever is feeding power to that side is not working. And I would say, okay, well, it's the photocell, but it can't be the photocell either, because if it's coming on the override and one side's not working, then that's a different issue. But anyways, that's how it is when you're a maintenance tech at a big building. You can only do so much that's within your pay grade, basically. So anywho, we're just gonna have to see what happens. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. and stay tuned for more videos like this. I'm gonna try to do more stuff like this. Obviously, it's a pain in the ass to edit because it's 360, and I've got multiple clips that I'm gonna have to now tie together. But bear with me; it'll be alright. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, all of these fans I've had working, those also, but that one in the middle there, the freaking motor went out maybe 6 months after I put a brand new one in, so yeah, that's been fun. But anywho, that's going to do it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, take care.